All right. So I don't know how much it would be useful to normal people or those who don't delve too much with the bug reporting and all this stuff. So there is a facility in most of the OS which I have made a video of um, beforehand. So it's all about pasting the error method or error output into some online pasting service like Pastebin, dpaste, and all this stuff, which is, as I mentioned, the most of the Linux OS, they have a package which allows them to send those output error to a Pastebin service or online pasting service. Likewise, I discovered it recently that that you can do the same from inside Emacs. There is a package somebody wrote. Okay, so it is called Webpaste. Okay, once you installed that package inside Emacs, you could do so easily. Let me give you a little demonstration how it could be done. Okay. So let me go to my Emacs client, which I have already opened. So say I'm just arbitrarily taking this buffer. Okay, I could have select a particular section of the buffer. I could have select the entire buffer. Okay, so there is a facility. As I mentioned, you have to install wpaste. Okay, wget-paste.el from your package manager. Let me show you. Oh, sorry, that is Webpaste. Okay, so let me tell you that. So if I bring up Webpaste, you can see on the bottom of the bottom mini buffer that there are three options. I haven't yet bind a key with this option. It could easily be done. I'll do that later, and you could do so. So it clearly states Webpaste paste buffer. That means it takes the entire buffer and pastes it to a Pastebin. Heads up, there is a limitation in all the online Pastebin services, so you have to be very judicious what you are sending to the Pastebin service. If it is over the limit, it will not allow you to do so. Okay, so keep that in mind. Likewise, the second option is that Webpaste paste region. That means you have to select a particular region and then send it to a Pastebin. Okay, and the first one is that paste buffer or region, any one of them, it will prompt you for that. Okay, so for instance, if I want to select this particular buffer, if I press Webpaste paste buffer, the very first option, look at the bottom of the screen. It says it to return me back your shortened URL of the Pastebin online Pastebin service, and it copied that to a kill ring. So how do I access it? So if I go to meta y, see the paste URL is there. Okay, so if I copy it from here and if I go to here and if I paste it, see it pasted in that particular Pastebin service online. Pretty darn simple, right? So this is very convenient that you don't have to go out of Emacs, and you could do the stuff staying within Emacs. Okay, this is essentially is Pastebin service inside Emacs. The package name is Webpaste. You have to install it first, then it will provide you three options. Okay, so likewise, as I said to you, So there are three options. I'm not going to show you other two because I want you to try it. So you can select a particular region of any buffer you are in or particular section of the error, and then you choose the second option, Webpaste paste region. Okay, so it will send that particular region to the Pastebin service. Likewise, I show you select the entire buffer and send it to a Pastebin by choosing the first option. Or if you want it to be prompt, then you could choose the third option, buffer or region. Okay, you could easily, as I said before, you could easily bind a key with this function. So instead of coming here by manually invoking, you can press some key and it will do the same thing, right? So this is bloody handy if you are that kind of person who generally shares stuff with other people through online through this kind of facility. And this is a very common practice and nothing new. So why do you get it? Here it is. If I go here, so this is the place. It's in GitHub. Okay, the EL file is webpaste.el. It's clearly written that it can paste the whole buffer or part of buffer or several pastebin. Like there are various pastebin services online. You could easily, and it's very clear. The author has given some sort of key binding. If you install it by use package by hand from your init file, you could do so. You can change the key bind as per your liking, as per your setting. Okay, here you can separate the pastebin services on the second or the third, right? You can explicitly tell where it should go. Your pasting stuff should go to which online pastebin service. Pretty darn simple. You can do it by yourself, configuring like this in your init.el or .emacs file. Likewise, you can do the same stuff here inside. While you configure, you could do this all at once instead of doing one by one. You could easily do the raw pasting without getting any format. When you paste it on a pastebin service, it gets formatted according to their standard, according to their rendering ability. So you could do all this stuff. You can get a confirmation stuff if you wanted to do that. Turn this variable to 2. Okay, you can try how many times. If the network connection is very flaky in your place, you could set this number to try a few times more. If it didn't go at once, like in my case, it went through. Sometime I have experienced that either the service is down or some glitch happen in between, or in the side, things not going smoothly at once. Then you have to give yourself chance, or this software to chance, to paste it there by modifying this particular max tries entry to a particular number. 13 is a too high a number, I believe. Okay, so around 5, 6 is good enough. Then it's, as you saw, it basically send the URL from the pastebin service and put it into the kill ring. If you don't want that, you could say it nil like this. I didn't do that, so it copied to my kill ring. I'm perfectly fine with that. I can paste it from there anywhere I like, or I could have automated to open it with a browser. Okay, like this. You can copy the stuff in clipboard too. If you put this kind of stanza in your init.el file, so it'll put that damn thing in your clipboard instead of kill ring. Okay, so I prefer to stay within the kill ring. People can take this one to put the returned shortened URL of the pastebin service or pasting service to the system clipboard. From there you can paste it. Okay, here you can open that in browser. if you want. Mm, so, or you could provide a custom hook if you have some sort of special requirement. You could create something, some hook which will trigger stuff once that thing is done. Okay, this is clearly is very trivial and everybody should get it, I believe. It's just few seconds if you spend it, and the code is bloody easy. It's plain simple. If it is gets to me, it should get to everyone, honestly speaking. So they are a custom provider. Here is the provider. These are the services, online services this software is using. You could manage your stuff by selecting few of them out of it. Okay, so all in all, it's a bloody good software. So you don't have to go out of Emacs and do stuff. You could do so while staying inside Emacs. I hope it will be useful for some people. It certainly did to me. So that's why I'm making this video. Thanks for watching.